While every landlord situation is different, there are certain situations that typically sway owners one way or the other when determining if they need to hire a property manager. Certain rental properties and landlords can benefit from hiring a property manager. And it is an absolute honor that I get to interview Jason McGuire with Real Property Management Service about how to determine when to consider hiring a property manager. So, Jason, if a landlord doesn't live near their rental property, how frequently do they have to visit the property versus hiring a property manager?
Yeah, we find that most landlords like to visit a property quarterly just to make sure that everything's okay. But what we also like to encourage people, or they find out at least when they start managing a property, is that when there's maintenance required, they have to go by. And I've always had a mentor of mine saying, never buy a property further than you would drive to change a light bulb, because you don't want to spend an hour in traffic each way for 5 minutes worth of work. And funny enough, most of the clients that we manage live in the same city of a property they own. So sometimes they're even closer than we are, and they hire us just to get that quality of life back, to be an investor owning a property, as opposed to an on-call maintenance person.
So, for an individual who is a landlord that might have additional questions, how do we get in contact with you?
Oh, yeah, I would encourage everybody to give us a call at 416-642-1404, and we'll see if what we do makes sense to work together.